Hello everyone, welcome to Satya Classes. Myself Raj Pandey, and guys, in this video you are going to learn about significant figure. This is really very much important and soon you will understand it. Let's begin. Significant figure. Guys, this will be the last lecture of the units and measurement series, and all the videos are in the playlist and I am giving the link in the description. From there you can watch other videos. So significant figure, what is the use of this and what is it? So first of all, I would like to tell you that significant figure is the number of digit in which we have the confidence. Means when you measure a value, you made it up to certain digits, and that digits tells us how confident our measurement is. So for understanding this, let me tell you about digits. First one is non-zero digit and the zero digit. Non-zero digits include 1 to 9 and zero digit include 0 itself. You can see over here clearly. So the first thing, the first rule you should be keep in your mind that every non-zero digit is a significant digit and counted as significant figure. I have many examples. Look at example A. The number written here is 1 2 3 4. So are these digits are significant? Yes, of course. So how many significant figure are there? Because each significant digit have one figure. So 1 2 3 4 means there are 4 significant figure. Okay, move to next one. B. 3 3 3 3. So how many significant figure are there? Of course 4, because each digit having one significant figure. Now for the C, 1 0 2 4. For this, look at the 0. This 0 is in between non-zero, means 1 and 2 are non-zero and 0 is lying in between them. So this will also counted as significant figure. Rule number 2 means 1 2 3 4. How many significant figure are there? 4 significant figure. Now what about this? D. 1 0 0. This has only one significant figure. Soon I will make you understand about this, because these zeros are trailing zeros, means are ending zeros, and ending zeros do not count as significant figure. Understand? Now what about this, the last one, 1.001. This means what? 2 zeros and 1 digit are right side of the point and the one number is left. So 1 2 3 4, they will be counted as 4 significant figure. The reason being, all the zeros are in between the non-zero digits are counted as significant figure. Do you understand this? Okay, move to next one. So we find significant figure for the measured value, means those value you have seen earlier are the measured value. Now I am again taking a centimeter scale and I have to measure this arrow. Okay, both headed arrow. So measuring this arrow, and we got the number 13.2. This is the number, means where 13 is what? 13 is in centimeter and 2 is in mm. Now the digit 3 indicate that there could be any digit, because this scale has the tendency to measure centimeter and sometimes millimeter, but not less than this. But look at the here, the arrowhead pointing somewhere nearly 13.2, and thereafter some digit might be there. So here I can tell you that one is MSD. MSD means most significant digit, and the 3 digited LSD. LSD means least significant digit. Means what you understand from this scenario? This scenario is only to make you understand that every measurement has a restriction, like the this scale you can measure centimeter as well as millimeter, but not beyond this. But the rule is greater is the significant figure, greater is the accurate measurement, means you will be closer to the true value if you have a number of significant figure. Understand? So this is the digit. We don't have confidence on this, because centimeter, yes, I have centimeter scale, millimeter are pointed here, so centimeter, millimeter are here, but the number 3 we don't have confidence on number 3. Now the measured value is 13.23. Here the digit 1, 3 and 2 are the certain digit, but the digit 3 is uncertain, which is lying at the ending, so it is the least significant digit. Understand? Now suppose we have to estimate a calculation that is equal to 600 mm. So we have measured this length by using a millimeter scale, and when I used the millimeter scale I got 600 mm exactly, but we don't have the knowledge of error in this 600 mm. So what about the error? Error is not calculated here. Understand? We are taking this 600 mm without the error, so will it be most significant number? No, it will not, but we can also find the significant figure in such quantities. So look here, since we have the mm scale, so 600 mm I have commented here, but what happens when we have centimeter scale? For measuring the same quantity we have right now 60 centimeter, and when we have meter scale for measuring 600 mm, what will get? We'll get 0.6 meter. Okay, I mean to say that, look here, (600 mm) is equal to 60 centimeter is equal to 0.6 meter. Understand? Now the significant figure we are talking about, 6 is the digit which is appearing in the 3 measurement, so 6 digit is significant. So the significant figure in the following number is how much? Only 1. Understand? Means you are changing the unit, and changing the unit do not affect the significant figure. This is again a rule. Understand this? So the easier method to represent the 0 in the form of tens to the power. So by using tens to the power we can write it as 6 into tens of 2. Understand? Now what about kg? 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. So how many significant figures are there? Yes, exactly 1. The reason being, zeros are not counted in the significant figure. Suppose 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. In this case also you will have only 1 significant figure. Understand? So considering the following examples, look at the first one. I am taking a number 3800. Since 38 are the significant digits, but 0 is not significant, so significant figure is how much? Only 2. Understand? Now what about 3.800? For this, if you are thinking it will also have significant figure 2, then you are wrong. Okay, and let me prove you how to. 3.800 means what? You are commenting that 3.8 is the measurement, and you are confident about that you are measuring this value up to the 3 decimal places, and decimal places are having 0, occupying the 0 value. So means you have the confidence, and this confidence is indicating that it will have how much significant figure? 4 significant figure. Okay, do you understand this? This is very much for this number 3.800. At least you can comment that you know about this number up to 3 decimal places, and 2 decimal places are occupying 0. So this is your knowledge, and this is your knowledge. So knowledge is what? Knowledge is confidence. So the number of significant figure in this is how much? 4. Understand? Okay, what about this? See, 3800.00. Now again, this represent that you are confident about this measurement, and its significant figure will be how much? 1 2 3 4 5 6. It will have 6 significant figure. Understand? Now what about this? 0.3800. When you put 0 point, means this number is less than 1, and all the number less than 1, the starting 0 are not counted in significant figure. But what about this 3800? Yes, of course, it will be counted as significant figure. So how much significant are there? 1 2 3 and 4. So 4 significant figure. Move to E part. In E part, clearly you can see here I'm giving the example 0.0 and then 3800. So what about these digits? 0.0. Again, 0.0 are non-significant digit because it is just the origin of measurement, and 3800 are the confident value. So it has 4 significant figure. Hopefully I have made so many examples to make you clear about this. So let's move to the rules for arithmetic operation when you perform addition and subtraction, multiplication, division. So what about the significant figure? Will it change or will be written as it is, as we are writing from 1 to 10? Now you are in 11th class, so you have to learn something new. So for adding the thing, move to the addition or subtraction. Look here, I made the following addition. Okay, are you interested in making these additions? No, my friend, of course not. The reason being, you are interested in finding the significant figure. So for this value, look here, 0.345, and you are adding 1.2, and the result is 1.545. Now you are adding the digits in the addition. Here you can see that the value of significant figure for the 0.345 is 3, and for 1.2 is how much? Yes, only 2. So the answer will be written in the 2 significant figure only, because you are not confident about these digits. Here and here means I have considered automatically that here is 0. Okay, so you will write its answer in how many digits? Only 2 significant figure. So for the 2 significant figure, you need to round off the value 1.545, and in this you have to drop these 2 values 5 and 4, so that you can give the desired result. So for this you need to learn round off. Understand? So let's move to round off part. About the round off, we have taken the following example. So let's start from example A. You can see clearly 632.58 has how many significant figure? Good, it has 5 significant figure, but you have to round off this up to 2 significant figure. So for this purpose you have to drop the digits and put the value of digit is equal to 0. So see how to do it. When you drop 8, okay, in the place of 8 you will put 0, and since 8 is greater than 5, so the preceding digit will be increased by 1. So 5 plus 1, how much? It becomes 6. And when you drop this 6, it becomes also 0. So dropping 6 is greater than 5, and when it is greater than 5, the 2 becomes 3. Okay, now it becomes 3 here. Now you have to drop 3 also, because only 2 significant figure is required. You drop 3 also. So dropping the 3, it becomes 2. Since 3 is less than 5, so there will be no increment. Now look, and in the place of point, so this is the value 630.00, and remove all these things, so you will have 63 answer. Understand? Okay, move to next one, 25.55. so for solving this, drop 5, dropping 5, putting 0. Look here, when you drop 5, the preceding digit is 5, and 5 is an odd number. So if it is odd number, increment will take place, so 5 will becomes 6. Understand? So 5 will become 6, and when you drop 6, the 6 will becomes 0, and the preceding digit will be increased by 1 because 6 is greater than 5, so it becomes 26.00. remove all these things, and 26 is the answer. Are you understanding this? Okay, 27.22. look at 2 is less than 5, drop it, it becomes 0. Again 2 is less than 5, drop it, it becomes 0. And what left? 27.00. remove this thing, and 27, because if you are putting the value 27.00, it means you have still have 4 significant figure, but you have to reduce the significant figure and bring it up to 2 significant figure. Look at this example. When you drop 6, it becomes 0, and the preceding digit will be increased by 1 because 6 is greater than 5. So look here, preceding digit will be, now this is 1, and when you drop 1, it becomes 0. 1 is less than 5, so there will be no increment. Now drop 3, dropping the 3 will becomes how much? 0, and since 3 is also less than 5, so there will no increment. And what about 5 2? You not to drop them because you have to make it up to 2 significant figure, so write it as 5.2. where was the point? Here. So remove again all these things, and you will have 52 as an answer. Now drop 5 2 6 3 3 up to 3 significant figure. Okay, so let me drop it. So first of all, check the significant figure. 1 2 3 4 5, it has 5 significant figure, means we have to drop these 2 digit so that we can make it up to 3 significant figure. So for dropping this digit, let us do it. Drop 3, you will have 0, no increment because 3 is less than 5. Again drop 3, becomes 0, no increment. And what about this? 6 2 5, they are not dropped because you required value of the 3 significant figure. So this is the answer. I hope now you have understand the meaning of the round up and how to round off. Now we have done how to round off. So these are the homework problem, and take a screenshot of this problem and solve this and post the answers in your comment section. Okay, so move to next. So we have the following addition and subtraction. On adding these values, we get 1.545. so see this 1.2 is the least value. Okay, this has the least significant figure. Your answer will be in the least significant figure. So look here, 1.545 has how many? 4 significant figure. Now you need to round off the digits here. 2 digits at least you have to round off for making it up to 2 significant figure. So let me do it quickly. Okay, 1.545, and when you drop it, you will have how much? First of all, drop 5, you will have 0, and since 4 is the even number, so no increment will take place, and 1.5 will remain same. So the answer is 1.5. Understood? Okay, Very good. Now the remaining like this has, look here, 4 to 3.5 has how many significant figure? 4, and 164.92 5 significant figure. 24.381 has 5 significant figure. So your answer will be in how many significant figure? Very good. Now you can answer me. This is 4 significant figure, but look here, 612.801 is having the 6 significant figure. So let me round it off and make it up to 4 significant figure. Okay, I think now you can do it, this one and this one, so also you can do. So I will write the answers quickly. Now move to multiplication or division. So again the same goes with multiplication and division. When you divide or multiply, your answer should be in the least significant figure. Likewise 24.3 has the least significant figure, means it has only 3 significant figure, but other has, it has 4 and it also has 4. So the answer will be written in 3 significant figure only. So for this I have so many digits. See how I'm dropping it. Okay, this is the digit, and clearly you can see 676 point, but you have to drop and make it up to how many significant figure? You remember? 3 significant figure. Okay, so drop 2 becomes 0, again drop 2 becomes 0, drop 5, and since 1 is odd number, so it will be incremented, so 1 becomes 2, then again drop 2, dropping 2 will no increment in the preceding digit, understand? Drop 8 will increment by 1 digit, and 4 becomes 5. Now drop 5, since this is an even number, so there will no change, so no change means the answer is 676, understand? So now find the question in your book and solve all the question. Okay, this is your homework problem to solve the questions from NCERT and other books, HCB or whatever you have. Solve questions based on significant figure. Okay, so see you in the next presentation.